Hello, this is Tony LaJudas. I'm part of the Tri-West support team. This is going to be an unboxing, assembly, and prep video for the Asus Va24D monitor. When you first get the monitor, it's going to be taped across the top. Simply cut this open. There will be directions on how to assemble this on the left lid, or the right lid, depending on which way you have it facing. In the top, there will be a component of the stand, a bag with a Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench style tool, and 4 screws. That's very important. That's what you need. There will also be this little cover for the stand. It's not necessary that you use that. It's an aesthetic thing. That foam should come up, by the way, very easily. Do not break the foam. You're going to want to reuse that foam if it gets returned. If you don't return the monitor with the foam and all the parts and pieces, it will be damaged, and that'll be an issue, of course. So monitors, use 2 hands. Out of this box, you should also take a power cable, the display port cable, and the base. I suggest you put the monitor down on a flat, clean, soft surface, and this is a great time to put the phone back in the box. Everything's there. The box is all set if it has to be reused to return this. Now, I'm suggesting you get the monitors on a flat surface so you can get to the display port and the power connection points. Very simple. Display port cables are the same on both sides. This is what they look like. The big thing to understand is display port cables have a truncated side. They will only fit in one way. Both sides are the same. It'll work in either direction. There is a small lever you must squeeze to remove the DisplayPort cable. I'm going to insert the DisplayPort cable, and as you see, it just slides in. Really not a lot of pressure needed at all. To remove it, I just depress that lever. It will not remove if you do not depress that lever. Power cables the same way. There's a truncated side of the power cables. They go in a specific keyed way. You wiggle them in. To remove them, you wiggle them out. That's it. That's all you have to do to connect DisplayPort and power. You can use the tool that comes with the monitor. If you have a Phillips screwdriver, I'd strongly suggest using that, as I am. It makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier to install the base. Or I should say the stand. Now, the base specifically. Had a few issues with people installing or removing the base. If you look at the bottom of the base, there's an arrow pointing right and an arrow pointing left, and there's a lock and unlock signal. So to install it, you put it on, clicks. That's installed, period. To remove it, you raise the lever, and it comes off. No tools are needed. Literally, not a lot of pressure needed. Works pretty easily there. Again, you have to lift that lever to remove it if that's something you have to do. That is all there really is to unboxing and connecting cables in a Asus monitor. Again, just to make a point, keep all the foam, do not break the phone up, do not throw the foam away and keep the box. Keep the whole box with all the foam, all the parts and pieces for a Va24D Asus monitor. This concludes the unboxing video. Thank you.